Disclaimer: this report is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. The writer is not a SEBI-registered advisor and holds no responsibility for any investment decisions or losses. Welcome to Latent View Analytics Limited, where data-driven insights meet innovative solutions. The company stands at the forefront of analytics, transforming data into strategic advantages for businesses worldwide. Latent View Analytics is a leading analytics and consulting firm, specializing in data engineering, predictive analytics, and digital transformation. Since inception in 2007, it has partnered with industry giants like Deloitte, and have expanded market specialization and capabilities. Today, it is recognized as the first analytics firm listed on the BSE and NSE, with a remarkable $100 million market reach achieved in financial year 25. The services span across customer analytics, marketing, industrial forecasting, social media listening, and financial services. With a geographical presence in the USA and Europe, it caters to over 60 Fortune 500 companies, including top-tier clients like Google Cloud, Tableau, and Adobe. The expertise is trusted by leading sectors such as technology, retail, and healthcare. The global delivery centers in Chennai and Bengaluru are pivotal to international operations, serving key markets in the USA and Europe. It operates on an asset-light, scalable business model, ensuring minimal capital requirements while maximizing revenue through stable and recurring services. The revenue is predominantly driven by the technology sector, accounting for 71%, followed by industrials, CPG and retail, and financial services. Shareholding pattern reflects a balanced distribution among promoters, fee, and public investors, showcasing the robust financial health and investor confidence. Latent View Analytics is poised as a global leader in analytics, leveraging cutting-edge technologies for sustainable growth. The strategic acquisitions and client-centric approach ensure continued expansion and success. For further insights, refer to comprehensive resources and disclaimers, emphasizing the importance of independent analysis and informed decision-making.